Here we are, sneak peek at us getting the Rampages ready. These boats will arrive to your hands, fully calibrated and ready to go. Quasar radio and all. Our larger boats like this come with the Quasar radio, stock, so you have all the top equipment. As you can see, these boats are pretty much done. We're literally just waiting for the graphics and special boxes to put them in. What you're looking at is the most powerful ready-to-run boat commercially available. There's no other ready-to-run boat more powerful than the Rampage. You definitely cannot beat it in quality. This boat has done over 120 miles per hour in stock configuration, just our upgraded stainless props. If you want the best boat for 2025, order yourself a Rampage Twin Cat. At 55 inches, this thing is unstoppable.